Alright, so welcome back to Fear Not Outdoors. Your host, me, Alex. I'm actually, just like I said before, we're camping now. We've already made it up here last night. We set up camp, and not alone. My daughter, Alexis, is with me. So, here she is. Say hi. So, got up this morning, made breakfast, ate, had some coffee, and we drove over here to the trout stream, which is a delayed harvest only area. Beautiful area. It's just that I don't see a lot of people coming down here because of the trail to get down here is very steep, rocky. So a lot of stuff is still overgrown. Today's still the end of August. What's today? 20 what? 5th?
Yeah.
So I think today's Saturday 25th. So beautiful day. Couldn't ask for better weather. I slept in my hammock last night. I think it must have got down to about 60. It was great. Beautiful weather. I see a little bit of clouds up there, but I mean it's perfect. It's probably almost 70 right now. It's probably about almost 10 o'clock in the morning. So I got some aerial footage from a drone of this little area of just the trout stream. Get you to take a look here. Might get a little shaky as I'm adjusting the camera here. Very nice area. Eventually I'm gonna take a survival trip where all I can carry, basically all I bring is what I can carry on my backpack. Like I said, it's a very steep, and some areas are a little rocky to get down here, but it's beautiful. So I was gonna take a weekend trip, come down here, and there's a little opening, but it's still overgrown right now. So I was gonna clear some area out there eventually, and then camp, make a little camp right there and just stay there for the weekend. But that'll be another trip. But I just wanted everybody to see that this nice area. Like I said, then almost tripped there. Like I said, George Washington National Forest. You only pay $4 for the permit. That's $4 a year, and you can come up here any time of the year and camp. It's basically primitive camping. So whatever you bring is what you have. There is no cell service here as well. So as long as you got a GPS, you can actually go up to the top of the mountain, back up on to the main road of Route 60, and most of the time you can get a signal. Which a lot of times at nighttime we tend to go up there and call back home, let them know everything's okay. So, but I mean, this is basically untouched areas, beautiful areas. Once you see what a campsite looks like, it's unbelievable. Right, we camped. Our campsite is right next to a stream similar to this, and all night long, all you hear is the water running through the stream. Beautiful. And again, show you again here. The sounds of water running. That's all I heard last night when I was sleeping. Yeah, I almost tripped. Alright, so this is one spot. If I had a GPS, I'm going to try it on my phone, on the Google Maps. I know sometimes it'll let me do it where it gives me the actual coordinates. So if anybody wants to learn how to get down here, especially if you're in Virginia, I could probably, I will try. Not too familiar with the app or the Google one, But a lot of times it'll give me the coordinates, longitude and latitude of where I can pin it. So if I'm able to do that, I'll put it on a, just send me a comment or something, and if you want to know how to get here, I can send you a map, detailed map. It is kind of hard to find. You can pass it really easy, but yeah, if you want to know how to get down here, just let me know, and we'll make arrangements. All right, stick around. We're gonna see some other areas, some other streams. We'll get on the Appalachian Trail, do some hiking on that, and just check it out. All right, see you soon.